explore the park and I'll tell you each time as we play. So the first thing is this spinning thing, which I also call the spinning spinner. So this is for your tummy. If you go back and forth, then your tummy goes inwards. Now let's move on. The next one is the motorcycle. Because I call it the motorcycle because it works like a motorcycle. And this is how it works. So you see my legs? If I move one of the top legs, then you see it moves this leg to the up and this leg to the down. And this is for your legs just to increase your speed. If you're going on a race, then go to the part first and then do this first. That will increase your legs speed. Moving on. This. This is supposed to I don't know what is this is for, but I know this is really fun. And each time whenever a kid is doing something and their parents are letting them do dangerous stuff, then I tell their parents just to do this one first. Because it's safe for all kids. So this is how it works. This down leg and the upper leg. The upper leg is one of the most important ones. If I move the upper leg down, then the upper leg, the other leg goes up. And you might be wondering, how does this work? Well, thanks to this. Underneath is this rolling thing that helps it move up and down. And when you hear this, then that means, yeah, stop. Because the bearing only goes in one direction. And one of the most dangerous ones, and I do not recommend for kids, is this. Seriously, it is not safe for kids. But if you're 9-year-old or 10, then you're safe to do it. And this is how it works. You go up and down really fast. You go up and the other left and right. You go really high. And I do not recommend this for children. Okay? And this is also not meant for children. Because some kids always think it's the safest thing to go from there. But no, it's actually not. Because if someone is trying, then you will accidentally kick them. So that's why I always suggest you going from the other side. So this is how it works. You can use it like a walking thing or like a swinging thing. And I don't know how this is supposed to help you, but I hope you figured it out yourself. Now moving on to the danger zone. So the danger zone is the most dangerous thing is literally that hellish thing of time. So follow me. So look at this. You might think this goes forward in the back. But no. This forces your back to literally get crushed. So this is, you might think this is supposed to help you in something. So you might think this is supposed to help you in anything. But no, it isn't. It is literally supposed to torture you. And my legs are literally too small just to reach. And that's why it goes all the way down, just to literally suffocate you. So do not try this. If you're an adult, then you're free to try. Now moving on from the safe zone. The safest one is also this. If you have any attention, then this can be safe. You just go up and down thanks to this. This is thanks to weight. The chair is heavier and it adds more weight to it. And this has way more weight than the chair. Because thanks to your weight, you cannot move it up or down. You're only allowed to use this so you can move up and down. And they have two versions. One is with the T version and one which is with the Spider version. Yes, this one is basically the replica of that, but it's like its little brother. And yes, it is kind of difficult for me to do. Now moving on to this. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. We almost forgot about the wheel. So let's go. So this wheel is supposed to spin really fast. And this thing acts like a bell. How convenient. Now moving on to the next one. This. Yes, this helps your back to stay relaxed. For example, if I try using it myself, then it is literally just to lie down with your legs like a hook. Yes, it is literally just like a hook. Your feet are like under the and it was so much fun playing with these. I hope you guys understand how to use all of these items. We'll see you guys next time. See ya.